Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing these milky Mylar glow-in-the-dark nails. Keep on watching. Okay everyone, so I've already prepped her natural nails with a one-on-one cuticle bit, a ball bit, and a sanding band. And if you would like to see exactly how I do that, you can go and watch my previous videos. But now I'm going to just dehydrate the natural nail and add protein bond, and I'm going to get started. So today we're going to do her infamous glow nails. She always gets purple glow nails, and today I wanted to do like this milky embedded Mylar. So you see the little Mylar chips on the side there. So I'm going to start off by giving her a thin layer of clear acrylic just to cover the natural nail, just in case I would like to change it later on down the road. So I thought that we were gonna do, some medium little shorties, and I asked her and she was like, oh no girl, go all the way to the end of the form. So now I'm stretching the clear to extend to the end of the form. So I know I've been gone, and how y'all doing? How was 2020 for y'all? Because it was trash for me, but I'm here and I'm breathing. So I hope everybody stayed safe, and I hope everybody's doing okay. So right now, this is the glow acrylic that I'm using. I would link where I got the glow powder from below, and I just mixed it with clear acrylic, and it does this milky white color, and then it glows so good, like in the dark. Basically you need UV light to activate it, so walking around outside during the day is charging it so that it's glowing all night. So basically I'll be able to show you the glowing of it at the end, because we use an LED UV light system to cure the top coat, and so that'll activate it and we can see what it looks like while it's glowing. I'm gonna need you guys to comment below. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what kind of designs you guys want to see me do or create. I am working really hard to muster up the courage to continue to show my face and possibly do like a nail room tour. I'm getting some stuff together. I might just do a video on that. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. So after you build the base layer of the nail, more so where the structure is going to keep sound, now you want to add the Mylar pieces wherever you would like. Here I'm using like an iridescent pink one and a couple of purple specks. I didn't want to put too much color in it since I was going for a milky look. And so right after I put the Mylar where I want it to be, I'm going to take the glow again and kind of run it over to make it look like it's floating in this milk. And so when you're satisfied with how the milky look looks, go ahead and move on to the next nail, because we're going to allow the pinky to dry before we end cap that with clear. So we're back to the other nail since it's dry enough to just go ahead and end cap. Sometimes I wait a little bit, one, so that I can let everything dry and it won't move when I'm applying the so it won't move when I'm applying the clear acrylic. Also, sometimes depending on how fast you're working, the consistency of the beads and stuff, the nail might start to get hot. I don't know if you ever had a client was like, oh, this nail is getting hot. Basically, the acrylic starts to heat up because there's so much acrylic going and drying at the same time. So I typically give it some time to dry in between layers before I add a end cap. Midway doing a hand, I will go ahead and take off some of the forms for the nails that have dried completely. You can see she just stretched her fingers just to give the client a little room to breathe and be flexible and not stuck in the forms the whole entire time. about the angle. I'm really trying to figure out a way to capture how I am filing. So I'm going to use my Young Nails dust collector. I love this thing so much. It's so lightweight. I can the plastic around it is wipeable, so it won't melt. So I can just wipe off any acrylic or monomer, anything that gets on it. So I'm just cleaning up the sides, getting the shape kind of where I want it to be before I use an e-file. So I just do the sides. Sorry, I cannot talk. I'm just doing the sides and cleaning up underneath, making sure that it's even and straight. And after I get them all kind of how and where I want it, I flip the client's hands and I file from that side, because this is the client's view. When they look at their hands, this is what they're gonna see. So I always flip their hands and double check the shaping from this angle. Now I'm grabbing this cone-shaped carbide bit. I use this to get close to the cuticles and to flush the acrylic to the cuticle area so there's no lifting. Just be careful if you're using this bit. I've been doing carbide for a while, so if you're a beginner, I wouldn't recommend something like this. You can always start off, Young Nails has a safety bit, and so it's rounded at the tip, so if you touch their skin, it won't cut them, but at least you'll get used to being able to get to the cuticle area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and clean up things that I need, kind of run it through before I go in with my sanding band. I didn't show you sandbanding, but I did sandband all nails. And after I do that, even though that's sort of the last step, but for stilettos, I literally go back and run my hand file just to make sure that it's sharp, because we need it to be sharp. And she likes to click clack with her fingers, so I just double check, making sure that the stiletto is precise and sharp at the end. So I asked my client if we were doing matte or shiny, and we realized we haven't did matte in a while, and I'm really biased. My favorite is matte. So we decided to go ahead and do these milky nails in matte. So I'm just applying the matte top coat right now, and then I'm gonna have her go in the light. I typically have her go in the light for about 60 seconds just for caution, just to make sure that things are dry. I want to thank everyone for watching my video, and stay tuned for more things coming this year. I will definitely link the products that I'm using below. And here is the final product. This is when we turn the lights off. It's glowing super purple. I know on the camera it shows kind of blue, but it's purple, and she loved them. I want to thank everybody again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.